Yo, what's up, tubers? Hope you are doing great. Today I'm very excited to share this M17 from Sauer with you. This is the new pistol for US Army, the most powerful fighting force in the history of mankind. So this is definitely a significant pistol, a significant weapon. If the most powerful army in the mankind choose this pistol, how can you say it's not significant? I love it. Look at the appearance. It is very good looking. You have to give it to Sauer for the design. Got a nice beaver tail here. The safety is in the right place. And it's ambidextrous. Look at that. Side release is also easy to operate. Let's do a safety check. There's dummy run in there. Nothing in the chamber. See, there's a chamber indicator here too. Right now it's not loaded, so it's flat. But once you have the chamber loaded, see? It stick out. You see that? So in the dark, you can just touch by the feeling of it. Also a removable plate for optics. Not to mention the Picatinny rail for your light. Now this is a go-to-the-war pistol. So got a 4.5-inch barrel. It's very accurate. This is the 12 yards. And this is freestanding, okay? Freestanding. No support at all. Two-handed. I only missed 2 shots out of maybe 25 shots, something like that. Look at this center shot. At the end of it, I start to get a sense of how to shoot it well. Okay? Kind of move my grip more inside. Before I was shooting this. So too much finger, pulling the gun to the left. By the way, this you have to cover the target, okay? This is not like Glock 19X, which I will do a comparison at the end of this video. But there's a lot of controversial why Army pick up this one. And I will give you my 2 cents at the end. But right now, let's focus on M17 first. So this is cover the target, okay? Just cover it. Not 12, not 6 o'clock, not center cut. You have to cover it. I find it very easy to acquire. And this is nice sight. So it's very nice. Safety. And once you give it, just like 1911. And let's try this. See the trigger. Now this is, you hit the wall right away. You see that? Minimum take up. And once you hit the wall, see right now I'm trying to apply pressure, but it's not that easy to fire it. You have to really apply some pressure to it. And my experience is when there's a real bullet inside, it's even harder. My feeling is like more 5 pounds. Not a light trigger, but manageable too. It's a little bit heavier, maybe 1.5 pounds heavier than I would like. Especially since the pistol already have a safety. So how come, don't make it even lighter. But again, this is for military issues. So, I'm okay with that design. I'm okay with it. This is not competition. So, it's okay. I still manage this group at 12 yards standing, freestanding, so I'm happy. See, nothing in the chamber. See this come down flat. Okay. Minimum take up. Hit the wall. Apply some pressure. See? The slide release is also very easy to operate. So everything is within your reach of your thumb without changing any grip. So I love it. Let's see the reset. Very short reset too. One more time. For a military issue, out of factory pistol, I would say they do a good job. Okay, they do a good job. Let's talk about the things I don't like about this pistol. First of all, the handle of the pistol is very top heavy compared to Glock 19X. Gosh, this pistol is so balanced. Okay? It is so balanced, it melted into your palm. So balanced. This is very top heavy. Okay? I'm just trying to be honest with you guys. It's very top heavy. Maybe if M18 would be a little bit improved because it got a shorter barrel. But again, I don't think that's the reason, guys, because if you look at the plastic material of the lower, this is a modular system, I know, but look at this grip. It doesn't offer much grip at all. See that? And I'm already a shooter that is very sensitive to a grip that protrude too much. But this is too slippery, guys. This is too slippery. Compared to Glock 19X. Look at that. It's just give you a very solid grip. I don't feel like I have to put any tape or anything to it. Okay? But this is nothing, offer nothing. Almost like smooth material. Plus, it's so top heavy. So this kind of the grip doesn't offer a lot of confidence, guys. I'm just trying to be honest. And the plastic material, again, this is a semi-comparison video, but the main character is M17, so I don't want to talk too much about Glock 19X, but if you look at it, the plastic material of Glock, I think it's better than 6 Sauer. I really do think so. Okay? This feels like not very solid to me. It's almost like a toy gun. By the way, I have a toy gun, not toy gun, an air gun. So let me show you. So this is the air pistol, okay? This is air gun. Okay, air gun. Exactly same length. But if you compare the lower, it's almost the same. See that? I mean, texture-wise, I can feel this is definitely better than this one. Okay? But I'm sorry, guys. I don't think it's any much better. Okay? Not much better. But if you look at Glock 19X, yes, this plastic is harder. I can sense it's very solid. I mean, Glock plastic. I think it lasts as long as we live, man. Okay? So, you know, the plastic material, the grip, the top heavy, you know. And lastly, also the most fatal shortcoming, in my opinion, is at the beginning, when I was shooting, this is the first group, about 7 yards. Look at the group. And this is the Glock 19X. Look at that. See that? I mean, this is still fist size, but this is definitely inside the fist. Glock 19. Look at that. And the reason of this terrible group is I keep getting a stovepipe, and I realized later because I was shooting the factory reload from a local gun store. Okay, every single shot I got a stovepipe. I wasn't very happy, and then I changed it to Fiocchi. Okay, Fiocchi, 115 gram. The one that got stovepipe is 124. But again, Glock, nothing, no problem. I shoot it with a factory reload from the same local gun store. Still shoot. So, if this is picky on the ammo, and given the ammo situation right now, for example, if there is really something going on, something terrible going on tomorrow, or even right now on the street outside of my doorknob, then all I have is the factory reload, and this is no use to me. This pistol is no use to me. But this, you feed him everything, okay? Everything. So maybe I will try some steel case later on, or aluminum case. But right now, I'm not very happy with the stovepipe on the factory reload situation. And I just want to report that to you guys honestly. So I wouldn't look at this first group, 7 yards. I wouldn't give it too much credit. The 12 yards is very good. And lastly, look at that. This is 22 yards. What a nice pistol. M17 at 22 yards. I still put so many inside a 6-inch ring. But Glock 19X, I shoot them off. I mean, the whole thing went off this way. Still got a good concentration pattern if you want to look at it that way. But again, it is what it is. I don't want you guys to feel like I'm Glock's fanboy or anything like that. In reality, at the end of the range session, when you submit your grade submit your paper for grade, this is M17 and this 19X, and the result is M17-1 Okay? So maybe it's the longer barrel. I don't know. But boy, if at the 22-yard freestanding you can deliver that result, I'm happy. I'm very happy. Look at that. Look at that result at the 12 yards. This center group at the end of the shooting session, I realized I have to grip my pistol more inside like that. Okay? If I grab it too much outside, too much finger will pull it to the left. You know? And the grip angle is totally different. This is you sort of parallel to the ground. Okay, parallel to the ground. But Glock, you have to grip it down. Lock your wrist and grip it down. Give you a lot of the stability. You see that? Lock it out and grip down. I shoot 1911 that way too. But again, the result is, tell itself. 6 Sauer doesn't matter, P226 or 229 or M17. You shoot them parallel to the ground with your grip, parallel to the ground. But again, that's very personal. I'm just trying to give you some tips that from my personal shooting experience. So that's the review for M17. I still love the pistol. But at the end of the day, if you ask my opinion, my 2 cents, does U.S. Army made a mistake? I wouldn't say they made the mistake, but if it's up to me, if I were the 4-star general or 3-star general who is in charge of the procurement, I would choose Glock 19X. This is a warrior's pistol. Okay? This is a warrior's pistol. So I'm not surprised at all. I heard that, or I read it somewhere that this is the Navy SEAL's new pistol. Not surprised at all. This is the pistol for general shooting public. Very easy to shoot. And offer the optics option or the modular design. I feel like because they have this modular design, they should have made the modular the lower, because this is where the serial number is. Comes with the pistol. They should make it very good. Okay? As good as the Glock. Or put some options here, for you to change the grip size or anything like that. But everything comes down to the cost. And this is what I heard, that the 6 Sauer one, because it's cheaper. And with this kind of the lower material, of course it is cheaper. And Glock 19X comes with the marksman barrel. Don't forget that. So that's my 2 cents, guys. If it's up to me, I would choose Glock 19X. And if you can only choose one out of the 2, definitely Glock 19X. For its handle, okay? Material. And the reliability on all the ammos, all types of ammos. This is Army pistol, so I think Army, you shoot the ammo from Army, okay? So there's no question on that. But for us civilians, we don't have the access to the ammo from Army, right? So You have to consider that. Okay. Sorry, the review is long, but I try to insert some comparison of the 19X. But again, by no means this is the video to bash the M17. I love it. Okay, I love it. I don't think I will get rid of it. The next project will be compared this to my beloved P226 Navy. Wow. Wouldn't that be a wonderful, wonderful comparison? I'm already so excited about it. Okay, be safe and go out to shoot, go out to practice. Right now, the economy is opening up in full steam. So just go out and do our part to support the comeback. We can do it, okay? We can do it. Until next time. So long, guys.